In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to export an invoice as a PDF from your invoice screen. By the end, you'll have a clean, shareable PDF copy of your invoice saved to your device, ready to email, print, or archive. First, make sure you're on the main invoice area of your account. From your dashboard or main menu, click Invoices. This takes you to the list of all your invoices, including drafts, sent, and paid ones. Take a moment to confirm you're looking at the right invoice list so you don't export the wrong document. Next, open the invoice you want to export. Click directly on the invoice entry to bring up its full details. This view lets you double-check everything before saving it as a PDF. Things like the invoice number, client details, dates, line items, taxes, and totals. If anything looks off, it's always best to correct it here first, so your exported PDF reflects exactly what you intend to share. Now look to the top right corner of the invoice page and click More Actions. This menu collects the less frequently used but essential tools. You'll see options that relate to sharing, printing, and exporting your invoice. From that menu, click Download PDF. This is the quickest way to generate a high-quality PDF copy of your invoice that looks exactly like the on-screen version. If you prefer, or if your setup prompts you differently, you can choose Print instead. On many systems, the print option includes Save as PDF, which achieves the same end result while letting you adjust things like page size or margins if needed. When the file dialog appears, save the file. Choose a folder you can easily find later, such as your Invoices or Downloads folder. Give the file a clear, consistent name. Something like Invoice 00123 clientname.pdf works well, so it's simple to search and organize. If your browser saves files automatically, you'll likely find it in your default Downloads folder, and you can move or rename it afterward. That's it. Your invoice is now exported as a PDF. For peace of mind, open the saved file and skim it to confirm everything looks correct, and that the formatting matches what you expect. Keeping a standardized naming convention and central folder for your PDFs will save time down the road, especially if you export invoices frequently. Thanks for following along. With these quick actions, click Invoices, open the invoice, go to More Actions, choose Download PDF or Print, and save the file. You can reliably export professional, ready-to-share invoice PDFs whenever you need them.